Hello little kids, welcome back to Melon Rhymes. Today we are going to play a fun game. I'm going to show you a shadow of any vehicle and you have to guess that vehicle with the sound. Are you ready kids? Let's play the game. Look at this kids. What is this vehicle? Can you guess? Let's hear the sound of this vehicle. Oh, it's a car! Great job! Can you say car? Car! This is a car. Oh, what's that sound? What is this vehicle, kids? Look at this one. Can you guess now? Oh, it's a choo-choo train. Great job! Kids, this is a train. Can you say train? Great job! It's a train. Look at this vehicle, kids. It looks like a big vehicle. Can you guess this vehicle? Let's hear the sound of this vehicle. Doesn't it look like a bus? Yes, kids, this is a bus. Can you say bus? It's a bus. Great job! Kids, I hear a sound of whirr. What vehicle whirs in the air? It always flies in the sky. Right, kids, this is a helicopter. Can you say helicopter? Yes, this is a helicopter. I can hear that ding ding. Can you hear this sound, kids? What is this vehicle? Look closely, kids. Can you guess this vehicle? Oh, it's a bicycle! Great job, kids! This is a bicycle. A bicycle! Great job, kids! Wow, my friends! This game was so amazing! Did you love playing with me? I did it too! I'm so proud of you! See you next time on Melon Rhymes!